Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video you will learn how to small to large size of your image without losing any quality. So keep watching my video. In this video you will learn how to small the large size of your image. As you can see, here is my image and size is over 15 MB. Now I'm going to small my picture and right click, scroll down. Here is edit and also scroll down, open with Mesh Paint. Every PC have the paint. You don't need to download any application and software to your any PC. Just once you open with and do nothing and go to your files, here are save as. Which types you are going to save your picture? I'm going to save the JPG my picture. Just click the JPG picture, save and close this. After that, now as you can see, it is my original picture over 15 MB. Now I'm going to see my new picture that I have saved. It is 6.55 MB. Without losing any original of my picture. All of YouTuber, they must upload the custom thumbnail. It doesn't over 2 MBs. Just do this job in your own channel. So now I'm going to comparing. Yes, it is done. I hope you enjoy my video.